Hello there, namaste. So in the last video, we talked about the most effective way to connect with your subconscious mind is through alpha state. Now in this video, we'll be talking about how to achieve alpha state, okay? I've been practicing this meditation, visualization, goal setting for now over 3 years and with some remarkable results in my own life. So I'm pretty sure you understand that I actually tried different methods to go into the alpha state before I started my visualization. So there are different experts give you different advice depending on which one you find most effective. You can pick one and focus on it and master at it, and ultimately you will get to it. So one of the expert, Dr. Wayne Dyer, who is one of my favorite authors as well, he mentioned that you actually can go from close your eyes and then start counting backwards from 30 to all the way to 1. So like this, you close your eyes and on the mental screen of your eye, now you see number 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. So you get the idea, right? So on and so forth, all the way till you reach to 1. The only one condition though, when you are counting backwards and you're seeing those numbers on your mind's screen, if you have any other thought in between, you have to start all over again, go back to 30 and start counting backwards again. You think it's easy? If you want to try this, I bet you probably are going to take few days before you actually be able to master it. Even though it sounds very easy, but it's very difficult. Remember folks, we have over 60 to 80,000 thoughts every day running through our minds, right? So even though it sounds easy, you probably will agree with me once you try it yourself. The other expert confirms that the best method to reach to alpha state would be relaxation of the mind and body both. I kind of find this, I tried this too, and I found this is probably a very effective method. So what they ask you to do is when you close your eyes and then take a deep breath. When you release the breath, try and see number 3 on your mind screen. So number 3 times. And now keeping your eyes closed, now you're focusing your attention on your head and say, it is now relaxed, completely relaxed. And then same way, forehead, eyes, and then you say, my entire face is now completely relaxed. My throat is relaxed. Gradually, you take your attention one by one to different parts of your body, and you say, ultimately my entire body is completely relaxed. Okay, that's an idea. When you do this few times, then you will actually realize that the moment you start closing your eyes and start seeing 3, your body start feeling completely relaxed. That's how our minds are programmed. No wonder some of those negative things that stays in your mind. Anytime, let's say, it rains or it snows, I've seen many people, they just freak out. They say, oh my goodness, it's snow again. Why? Because their minds are same way their minds are programmed, like the way we're now trying to program the mind and go into the alpha state, right? So I found that relaxation is a very effective method to reach to the alpha state, because once your body is completely relaxed, and then the next stage they ask you to do, by the way, this method was invented by a guy called Jose Silva of Loreto, Texas, and he introduced what he calls it as a Silva mind control method. So and then the next step, he says, after you relax your body, then you relax your mind. How? You close your eyes and then you're going to see the picture of a place where you went before in the past, where you find absolutely relaxing. So for some people it might be a lake, it might be a mountain, it might be a garden full of flowers. Whatever works for you, use it. So think about last time when you were feeling absolutely relaxed. Try and find out what was that setup, like were you at a beach, were you at near the mountain hill station, in the hilly area in the garden, you're looking at some flowers, or was it raining? Was it full sunshine? Was it cloudy? Just try and remember all that setup, and then start feeling mentally that you are now relaxed, completely relaxed. Okay. And then the next stage they ask you to do is, now when you close your eyes, take a deep breath. When you release, say number 1 on the mind screen. And after that, they ask you that they're going to count from 10 to 1. So 10, 9, 8. And every time you count that, you feel that, you're going deeper and deeper and deeper into your mind. So like, you're going deeper and deeper into your mind. So after some time, you'll realize that you will actually find like a different state that you will experience. For me, it's difficult to explain this in words, but when you do this exercise few times, maybe a few days, there will be a point where you will reach whereby you can immediately pinpoint like, yes, I got into this state now, right? It is always easier to experience this by practice. So if you keep practice as your guru, then I think there is nothing in the world that can deceive you. Okay, so this was about going into the alpha state. Once you go into the alpha state, remember, you are able to contact or interact with your subconscious mind, and you can enforce or impress all the goals that you want to achieve in your life. So I hope that was helpful. And if you have any question, if you want to talk to me, you can send me an email. My email address is lifecoachformysuccess@gmail.com. And remember, I'm also a meditation teacher, and I can help you learning meditation. Okay? Thank you. Namaste.